Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My class, how are you? Today we will learn theorem number 2 of chapter number 12. I hope you will give your attention. So we are going to start our second theorem. Second theorem is converse of theorem number 1. In theorem 2, any point equidistant from the endpoints of a line segment is on the right bisector of it. We have to prove. Whereas in first theorem, any point on the right bisector of a line segment is equidistant from its endpoint. So this statement is opposite to the statement of theorem number 1. So we have given AB is line segment, point P is such that PA is concurrent to PB. It means in this theorem, point P is equidistant from its endpoints. Whereas in previous theorem, we have to prove that P is equidistant from its endpoints of a line segment. So here is given to prove the point P is on the right bisector of AB. Point P is on the right bisector of AB. We have to prove. So construction, join P to C, point P to C, the midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of AB. It means AC is concurrent to BC. Proof, statement and reasons. This is same step. In previous theorem, we compare triangle ACP to triangle BCP, and in this theorem number 2 also we compare triangle ACP corresponds to triangle BCP. So PA is concurrent to PB. PA is concurrent to PB. Given PC side for this triangle and PC for this triangle. So this side is common side. So AC is concurrent to BC due to construction. So hence we prove triangle ACP is concurrent to triangle BCP. Three sides of first triangle is concurrent to three sides of second, which is triangle BCP. So angle ACP is concurrent to angle BCP. These are the corresponding angles of concurrent triangles. So measurement ACP plus measurement BCP is equal to 180, which is proof that angle ACP and angle BCP are supplementary angles. So as we prove measurement ACP is concurrent to measurement BCP, therefore these two angles are equal and every angle is of 90 degree. That is proof that PC is perpendicular to AB. As measurement angle ACP is equal to 90, we proved previously. So AC is concurrent to BC, which we have to prove in our construction. Therefore PC is right bisector of AB, as PC is perpendicular to AB, and they both angles are of 90 degree. Therefore we conclude that PC is right bisector of AB. That is, that point P is on the right bisector of AB, which we have to prove. Students, I hope you will understand this second theorem, which is the converse of theorem number 1. Kindly write this theorem on your neat copies. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is the slogan of Native. Khuda Hafiz.